Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So as you may well know, Windows 11 has a relatively new system recovery feature called Quick Machine Recovery, which the description reads, if your device fails to start, we'll try to fix the problem with device recovery solutions. So basically what this is all about, as I've posted previously, it will allow you to carry out fixes and Windows updates on systems that cannot boot due to screens of death, like blue screens or black screens of death as they know now, boot loops and other errors. Now it seems that over and above machine recovery, Microsoft is adding some new recovery tools to Windows 11, which will give you, according to Microsoft, easier options to return a device to a functional state when something goes wrong. So over and above quick machine recovery, you're going to have two more recovery options, according to this recent announcement. So the first, according to Microsoft, will be a feature called Point-in-Time Restore, or PITR for short, which according to the announcement is designed to work as a quick and easy method to roll back a system to the previously working state without going through lengthy troubleshooting or having a lot of technical expertise. So basically your average Joe could use something like this. And Microsoft says from the announcement that point-in-time restore will be useful for regular users as well as IT admins and IT professionals who need to recover a single device or numerous non-working computers, as an example, in an enterprise environment. Point-in-time restore, Microsoft says, should only take minutes to undo problematic changes to get things working again on a system that's run into problems, restoring the operating system, apps, settings, and local files, so you lose your data, according to Microsoft. So over and above quick machine recovery and the new point-in-time restore, we now get a third option called Cloud Rebuild, which I think at the end of the day is going to be more focused towards IT admins in enterprise environments. But nonetheless, just keeping you guys posted, because the three of these make up now the full package of the recovery options available now for Windows 11 going forward. Now, Cloud Rebuild, according to Microsoft, will let IT admins fix computers that are not working properly by doing a full system reinstall with all the necessary drivers. Obviously, that's if a computer does not work as it should and nothing helps to fix those problems. And how it will do this, Microsoft says, the device then downloads fresh installation media, reinstalls Windows, and restores settings and data using OneDrive and Windows Backup for organizations. Now, these will not be rolling out to the stable release, the new point-in-time restore and Cloud Rebuild, until sometime next year, because Microsoft says that point-in-time restore and Cloud Rebuild will be available as a preview in the first half of next year, 2026, as part of the Windows Resiliency Initiative, which Microsoft implemented after the CrowdStrike disaster back in 2024. And the Windows Resiliency Initiative focuses on preventing, managing, and recovering from incidents and outages. And that's also where this quick machine recovery was implemented as part of that Windows Resiliency Initiative. So over and above quick machine recovery, we now get two more options: point-in-time restore, Cloud Rebuild, and obviously, if I get more news regarding that and those recovery options, I'll keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.